My dear kids, how are you? I hope you all fit and fine. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a fish. This is an octopus. Jellyfish. Little kids, animals that lives in water are called aquatic animals. Little kids, इन सभी को aquatic animals बोलेंगे. So today's topic aquatic animals. Let's start. First picture is fish. Little kids, do you know fish lives in a water? Next picture is starfish. Starfish is also lives in water. Next picture is jellyfish. Jellyfish भी कहाँ रहती है? पानी के अंदर. Next picture is dolphin. See horse. Little kids, see horse. एक horse जो आपको लैंड पे दिखाई देता है, बट इसके सामने क्या लगा है? सी. तो ये horse कहाँ पे रहता है?